So we opened a package. I already opened it before, but it's okay. So you open it, it comes with a couple stickers. It comes with this, which is the controller. And then it comes with this. This connects in between your gas pedal, and this connects to the controller. And some cleaning cloth and some zip ties if you need it. So let's go over to the driver's seat and go. All right, so the instructions do say to leave your Jeep off for 10 minutes. So I did set a timer earlier and set it for 10 minutes. It says so the check engine light doesn't come on, just a heads up. I'm not sure if any other YouTube videos mention that, but yeah, let's go under the Jeep and see what we're doing.
So just pull it out, comes out. You do need to take this plate off, which you take with the 10mm. All right, we're taking this off so it's easier to get to the wires. You just pull this out. There we go. Just pull this aside again because you will need to reinstall that. Put this aside. Make your area under here clear. So the part that we need to get, it's all the way. Let me see if I can point my finger up right over here. Right in there, just go straight. But we're gonna go through right under here for it. They do recommend you take these off. I'm just gonna go through under the dash right here. They do recommend you take these off, which is just easy. Just get the clip, pull it out. It's easier to get. The thing you're getting is right here. It's right up here. Let me see if I can show it right there. So you go through your gas pedal up here, and it's right on top of that, right there. That harness right there, so we're gonna need to take off. So you're just gonna have to pinch it off. I'll take it off in 1 sec. All right, so we are gonna have to get the wire that we did take off. It's gonna be laying around here somewhere, which is this one. But just so you know, do not install this one first. Install the other one. It'll be a lot easier. You'll save a lot of headaches if you install the other one first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so the harness is actually just straight up there, shoot straight, but we're actually gonna try to go through right here. I didn't find the cable, bro. This one, just do it this way. So this cable will go right over here. From this way. Oops, sorry. This one back. Alright, so we just got this wire installed. Let me see if I can find it. Yep, this wire right here. Make sure you clip it closed. There you go. It's closed, not that wire. Just that's gonna be that. We're gonna have to connect the old adapter because it's kind of hard working around when you're kind of big. So it's back. Let me just actually move this one back. You mind holding this? Hold it right. Thanks. So before we do anything, let's just go ahead and connect this one back because we don't really need this. Actually, we can go ahead and connect this first. It'll be these two. All right, make sure you hear the clip. You got it right.
Yep.
You recording? All right, and then throw this back up here. All right, make sure you find this cable. Make sure you ride it so you don't just have it laying around here. So we're gonna open this now. We're gonna clean our thing. We decided to put it here since it's easy to access. Okay, so we'll just put it right over here, just for the sake of it drying. This way is fine?
Yep.
Or more inside?
More inside.
This way? All the way up?
Yep.
Alright, so just keep it pressed. Just for a second, because from what I've heard from other reviews, is it's a bit tricky to keep it on here, just because it's not an even flat surface. But just hold it on for a bit, it should work. I've had mine for a week now, and it hasn't fallen off, so that's good. Alright, so we'll just keep it pressed. We'll do it like, we'll show it, because we have to reinstall the face plate. Or that one plate, I'm sorry. Going back. Should reinstall this. I believe it's this way, right?
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, this way. Put a load up together. Tiny zip ties. These zip ties are not the best, but I guess they get the job done. Just tuck them back here. Make sure you tighten them up so they don't end up falling back under there. The last thing you want to do is get it on your gas pedal. All right. So next we need to reinstall these face plates. Let's get these two bolts and make sure to tighten them up. And yet again, it's a 10 millimeter. Just can't put these two back. Just keep an eye on this right here. You don't want to get it pinched too bad. Lightly. Damn, my finger in the way. All right, now you just got to turn on the G, make sure it's up and running. All right, and it is. Right now it's currently in sport mode. Most people just say get it used to. We'll try to get it adjusted. People just say put it into automatic. That's automatic right there. We'll just keep it there. That way it learns to your style of driving. But trust me when I tell you, it makes a night and day difference. It is huge. All right, thanks again for watching YouTube, and give it just a thumbs up. Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe, all that nonsense.